So this is my newly delivered brewing system made by Grainfather in Auckland, New Zealand. It's just arrived. It's quite hard to get at the moment because it's a new company and they're just ramping up production. I don't think they're going to reach the States until June. So I thought people might like to see what's inside the box, so we do an unboxing video. Quite a hefty package, 10 kilograms in weight. So let's open it and see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet, so this is as new to me as it is to you. First thing inside is another box. Just cut that open as well. Right. So, paperwork from the Brewing, which is where I happen to buy it from. Other people have them. Got the instruction book. This has been available as a PDF for a while, so most people have probably studied it already if they're going to be buying one. Put that to one side. And laid in the top, just push this over. Packaging in here. First thing is the lid. So that's the thick glass lid with the hole in the centre that the recycling pipe goes into. Small package here that's got the filter cover that goes on the extract pipe at the bottom, pump clip and the little cap that covers the overflow pipe. Slotted down the side. There's the handle that lifts the grain basket up. And we'll take the top layer of packaging off. And there's the main body of the Grainfather in here, all wrapped up in bubble wrap. This package has got the two perforated plates. So this one with the tabs is the plate that you push down on top of the mash when you're mashing. This one without the tabs and just the hole will be the bottom of the grain basket that needs to be assembled. What have we got here? Small cardboard box, it's probably got the controller in it. Let's have a look. Yeah, so in here. The control unit. Now, so you see that when it's assembled, that controls the switches for the pump and boil and mash, temperature control, and that's connected to it is the temperature sensor that will go into the boiler. This is in here. Some more packaging there. And then inside the boiler, this, which is the recirculating chilling unit. Get this out to show you. That's the counterflow chiller. It chills the beer. The red and the blue pipes are for the water, cooling water inlet and the hot water outlet, and the clear pipes will take the warped in and out. That's one side. Another bubble wrap package here. I think this will be the counterflow arm. Let's see. It's all very well packaged up with bubble wrap, I'm pleased to say. A bit too well wrapped up, can't get it out. That's a package that's got the recirculating arm in there and the recirculating arm connector for the top, various hose connectors, the overflow top pipe connector, and the main overflow pipe there. So I could take some of those out to show you. I need them out anyway. Piece of hose that goes on the recirculating pipe. I recognise that as the top of the overflow pipe, quite a nice heavy turned piece of metal. That's a packet of various hose connectors. You've got different options there for setting up your counterflow chiller connected to your taps. That's the housing for the temperature probe that you screw into the main body of the Grainfather. That's a sliding part of the overflow pipe that goes inside the grain basket. That's the top connector for the circulation system. Stainless steel pipe. This is the main side pipe, supply pipe for the recirculating system with the valve on the top. Double valve, that's an automatic valve that's shut unless it's connected, and that's the control valve. That's a packet of washers and grommets. And this all out on the table, ready for assembly. Everything else again that's come out separately. What's this? Oh, this is just the. This is an extra that I asked for from Love Brewing, the supplier. This is the Grainfather branded cleaning material. You don't have to have this, there are other ones that you can use, but I thought I may as well get the pucker one for the time being. And that just leaves the main unit to lift out, so I'll move the box back. There we are, that's the main unit ready for assembly. Do not use these clips on the glass lid, that's Telemix, that's for the distillation, optional distillation unit. In here we've got the inner mashing drum. And when you're sparging, that box on the top like that, but that will need assembly. And that just leaves the empty Grainfather main brewing unit. Just empty like that, no elements showing, elements hidden away underneath the flat bottom. And then here, I don't know what this is, and what's in here. I guess that's just in there for the grain basket to sit on top, not sure. Leave that in until I get to the... Maybe it's just rubbish, I'm not sure. I'll leave that in until I get to the assembly instructions. So there you are, that's what's in the box, first impressions. Very well made, very sturdy. I'll move on now to assembling it.